We've all been there, staring down a dying phone battery in the middle of a commute, a flight, or a long road trip with no way to save it. That's where pocket-sized power banks come to the rescue. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. We've made a list of miniature lifesavers which are small enough to fit in your purse or even your jeans, but powerful enough to keep your devices alive when it matters most. One standout is the Inu portable charger with a 10,000 mAh battery, dual USB-A ports, and a USB-C that handles both input and output. It recharges in just 3 hours and even includes a hidden phone stand, perfect for hands-free movie marathons on the go. And if you want more power, the Vivo 20,000 mAh portable charger is a charging beast with support for up to 4 devices at the same time, including built-in cables for Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C. An LED display keeps you updated on battery life, and it even claims to meet airline safety standards. If you prefer ultra-compact options, the Wii Fancy Mini Charger offers fast charging in a palm-sized design with a digital display and support for both Android and Apple devices. Meanwhile, the Seth Ruki's smallest charger is tiny, so tiny that it practically disappears into your pocket, but somehow still manages to charge up to 3 devices at once. And if you're an Apple fan with older iPhone models, you'll love the sleek Vanius Mini Charger, which offers 5,000 mAh of power and a stylish design. Just don't expect USB-C compatibility unless you upgrade to the dual slot version. So whether you're camping, traveling, or just tired of making your habitat around the socket, these power banks prove that great things really do come in small and powerful packages. Which one did you like most? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. 5 best power banks for 2024. Portable chargers are a clever invention, providing a reliable backup for long road trips or anytime you're out and about. They're easy to carry and don't take up much space. The right size can fit in a tight backpack compartment or even in the back pocket of a pair of jeans. Whether it's a laptop for work, a smartphone for social media, or a pair of headphones for that nightly music jam, these portable chargers have you covered. With that in mind, here's a rundown of the best all-round portable buddies available. Anker Prime 20,000 mAh. Anker's entry into this lineup is no surprise given their solid track record with portable chargers, and they haven't missed the mark here either. The Anker Prime 20,000 mAh is a powerhouse, easily charging smaller devices like smartphones and wearables, and it doesn't shy away from charging laptops either. It supports incredibly fast charging speeds of 200 watts that can charge smartphones in about 30 minutes. It also supports 100-watt fast charging on its own and includes a small display that shows its battery capacity. INIU 10,000 mAh portable charger. INIU might not be the most familiar name on the street, but the 10,000 mAh variant covered here is a fantastic buy, especially considering its affordability. This portable charger often goes on sale, with prices dropping to $20 on some occasions. It's on the more affordable side of this list, yet it's highly efficient. INIU's 3-year limited warranty is also a perk. Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini. Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini is as fun as it sounds. It supports MagSafe, making it a reliable companion for the iPhone when out and about, especially since it's easy to attach to the back of the phone when a top-up is needed. The 5,000 mAh battery is sufficient to fully charge just about any iPhone, and it also supports a USB-C port to charge other phones. Scotch Power Up 600. On the regular front, the Scotch Power Up 600 doesn't leave much room for complaint. The 5,400 mAh battery quickly charges any smartphone or small device, making it a dependable companion on a trip. Where the Power Up truly shines is in its quirkiness. Besides the regular charging, this power bank can jumpstart a car, making it an invaluable companion in emergencies. Satechi Quattro Wireless Power Bank. Satechi's Quattro Wireless Power Bank excels at what it does best. Its substantial 10,000 mAh battery can revive any lifeless smartphone or device. In addition to regular charging, Satechi features an Apple Watch charger on the Quattro, eliminating the need to pack an extra cable and saving both space and time. How to choose the best portable charger for your needs. Portable chargers, also known as power banks, are handy devices that can recharge your smartphone, tablet, laptop, and other gadgets when you're away from a power outlet. They come in different shapes, different sizes, different capacities, and features. So what are the features of a good portable charger? Capacity. The capacity of a portable charger is measured in milliampere hours, which indicates how much power it can store and deliver to your devices. The higher the capacity, the more times you can charge your devices before the power bank itself needs recharging. However, the actual number of charges you can get from a portable charger depends on several factors, such as the efficiency of the power bank, the battery size, and the health of your device, the charging speed and standard, and the environmental conditions. A general rule of thumb is to divide the capacity of the power bank by the capacity of your device's battery to get an estimate of how many charges you can expect. For example, if you have an iPhone 12 with a 2,815 mAh battery and a power bank with a 10,000 mAh capacity, you can roughly calculate that you can charge your iPhone about 3 times by dividing the two. However, this is only an approximation and doesn't account for other factors mentioned here. To choose the right capacity for your portable charger, you need to consider how often you use your devices, how long you stay away from a power outlet, and how many devices you need to charge at once. If you're a heavy user who needs to charge multiple devices frequently, you might want to opt for a high-capacity power bank that can provide several charges. If you're a light user who only needs to top up your phone occasionally, you might be fine with a low-capacity power bank that can fit in your pocket. Size and weight. The size and weight of a portable charger are usually proportional to its capacity. The more power it can store, the bigger and heavier it tends to be. This means that you need to balance between portability and performance when choosing a power bank. If you need a portable charger that you can easily carry around in your bag or pocket, you should look for a compact and lightweight model that won't add too much bulk or weight to your load. However, keep in mind that smaller power banks usually have lower capacities and may not be able to charge your devices as many times as larger ones. If you need a portable charger that can provide enough power for your devices for a long time, you should look for a high-capacity model that can offer multiple charges. However, be prepared to sacrifice some portability and convenience, as larger power banks are usually heavier and bulkier than smaller ones. Charging speed and standard. The charging speed and standard of a portable charger determines how fast it can recharge your devices and itself. The charging speed is measured in watts, which indicates how much power is transferred between the power bank and your device. The higher the wattage, the faster the charging. However, the actual charging speed also depends on the compatibility between the power bank and your device. Both the power bank and your device need to support the same charging standard in order to achieve the maximum charging speed. Some common charging standards are USB Power Delivery (PD). This is a universal standard that can deliver up to 100 watts of power using USB-C cables. It can charge most USB-C devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and Nintendo Switches. Qualcomm Quick Charge QC. This is a proprietary standard that can deliver up to 36 watts of power using USB-A or USB-C cables. It can charge most Android devices that have Qualcomm processors. Apple Fast Charge. This is an Apple-specific standard that can deliver up to 18 watts of power using USB-C to Lightning cables. It can charge most iPhones from iPhone 8 onwards. To choose the right charging speed and standard for your portable charger, you need to check out what kind of devices you have and what kind of charging standards they support. You should look for a power bank that supports the same or higher charging standard as your device so that you can enjoy the fastest charging possible.